Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video for the A7 Snowflake frame dies. This will fit a 5x7 card and it has many wonderful pieces. We have a frame that will either cut the center out or you can leave it intact. It also has two block letter sections that say missing you and much, and a 2-layer detail and shadow die for snow, 3 beautiful snowflakes, and this delightful detailed frame full of snowflakes. Here is a card that I created using this die set. Here is the frame using the rectangular cutout for the center. You have the embossed detail around the inner edge and all of these beautiful snowflakes. Here I used the die to cut out a blue patterned paper, and I did not cut out the rectangular center. I took the rectangular center and die cut that from some white cardstock and popped that up in the center of the frame. Used some specialty papers layered with glitter and foil to create the sentiment, and I used some pearlized paper to create these snowflakes that fit behind our words beautifully. I also used some baubles to add some detail to the center of all of the snowflakes around the frame. There are several ways you can use this die set, and you're going to see how much fun the design team had with the A7 Snowflake frame. Louisiana made this gorgeous shaker card. I decided to go rainbow with this card, and this one is very rustic. Here we've got the Christmas cutout tree, and here we have snowflakes just put directly onto the cards and used as accents on the pillow boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, take a moment to do that now and check that description box below for all of the product that was used. Here's a couple more videos we thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.